Beautiful soup and extracting a div and its contents by ID. Why does this not return the div.d. equals article body, /div, tags and stuff in between? It returns nothing. And I know for a fact it exists because I'm staring right at it from soup the pot find div. ID column article body also does not work. Edit, I found that beautiful soup wasn't correctly parsing my page, which probably meant the page I was trying to parse isn't properly formatted in SGML or whatever.
You should post your example document, because the code works fine. Finding div s inside div s works as well.
To find an element by its id.
Beautiful Soup 4 supports most CSS selectors with the .select method, therefore you can use an id selector such as. If you need to specify the element's type, you can add a type selector before the id selector. The .select method will return a collection of elements, which means that it would return the same results as the following .find_all method example. If you only want to select a single element, then you could just use the .find method.
I think there is a problem when the div tags are too much nested. I am trying to parse some contacts from a Facebook HTML file, and the beautiful soup is not able to find tags div with class content. This happens with other classes as well. When I search for divs in general, it turns only those that are not so much nested. The HTML source code can be any page from Facebook of the friends list of a friend of you, not the one of your friends. If someone can test it and give some advice, I would really appreciate it. This is my code, where I just try to print the number of tags div with class content.